Well, sounds like the crows are out again today. Hello, my little fella. How are you? We got a lovely day, haven't we? I bet you're thinking to yourself, how come this guy, every single day you're waiting for me? How come he keeps feeding me? On second thought, you're probably thinking, grub again. You're a beautiful little guy. And the crows are also being fed by me. And they, as usual, are giving me a little hassle. But it's so good to see you. And let's try and get it up close. You're just sitting there watching me, aren't you? And thinking, you're the only person that does this every single day. I'll bet. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what's going on in your head. But it's always a pleasure to see you and talk to you. Just as while nobody else is around, they'll be thinking, what's wrong with this guy? Hello, what's up with you? What are you eating? Oh, right, okay. Eat away there, my buddy. Eat away. Oh, the crows can stay there for the minute. I'm not going to feed them. Such a pleasure. Nature is such a pleasure. Especially when you've got somebody always waiting for you. Like this little guy. My goodness, you're a chocolate guy. Or girl. Who knows? Yeah, you're enjoying that today, I'm happy to say. Some birdseed. Brilliant. Oh, we've got a load of bloody crows now coming down. A real bunch of them. Don't worry, you're still here. They're not going to come too near while I'm here. Although they're all friends with me. Where's Grub? And you can hear, I can understand their language. Yeah, where's Grub? Alright. Well, Grub is with this guy at the moment. And it's nice to see you.